Now, this is the development of the screen, and you can see it is 99% exactly as we designed. On the left-hand side, we can see the outline of the course, okay? And in the middle, we can see that we are creating a particular lesson. So this is a video lesson, okay? We've got the title. Now here we have the video. It's already been uploaded to the repository, the duration, the thumbnail, some lesson notes, and the downloadable resources. Now, if we go back and we look at the design, this was the design that was created by Google. You can see it's the Create Lesson page. We got on the left-hand side, you may not be able to see my cursor. On the left-hand side, we have the outline, okay? Here, just under the lesson title, we have the type of lesson, whether it's a video, a document, or an audio. So if I go back now to the screen that was developed, you can see it's exactly as designed. We have the title and the type of lesson, okay? The video lesson or a document lesson or an audio lesson. Now, if we go back to the design, here we upload the video. You got the duration under that and the thumbnail under that, and you can see lesson notes under that. And if we scroll a bit lower, you can see the downloadable resources. Now, if we go back to the actual screen that was developed, okay, you have exactly the same. You have the area where you upload your video, the duration, the thumbnail, lesson notes, and downloadable resources. This is now fully functional. I can click. So there's a couple of additional things that I've added that I've needed after the build, which is preview the video. Okay, so, and two types of videos, whether it's a file upload or a YouTube link. Okay, that was not in the original design, right? It was just a single type of video, right? So that was an enhancement that was discovered at the time of development, okay? And so you can see how close the design and the screen that's been developed match. Almost identical. This is all functional, okay? So that's the beauty of designing the screens first and then going to the AI to develop the back end, because the AI coder cannot design these types of screens. You will always get a stock standard screen from the AI. Whereas when you design the screens first and separate your front end to your back end and only rely on the AI coder to develop the back end coding and give it the front end code, then you get a much better result and a much better outcome and a much better product.